Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and some of you might notice that there's a small update for Google Chrome. So of course we have moved to Google Chrome 1.15 last week. If you check out Google Chrome today, July the 25th, by going to the upper right corner in the three vertical dots, Help and About Google Chrome, you will notice that you are moved on to version 115.0.5790.102. Nothing security in here. It seems to be a few bug fixes for the browser itself. So there are some issues that were reported by some users. Some users had a little bit of problems. So they actually fixed the bugs that users reported since the new release of 1.15. It happens quite often that there are a few little fixes and a few little new things that are tweaked when a new version appears, because sometimes, you know, the broad deployment in many different types of machines sometimes will show things that people don't necessarily see, or they don't see on their own testing units. So Chrome 115.0.5790.102. No rush if you had no problems with the browser itself. It's not a security update. There's nothing security in here. So really just minor bug fixes for a few things that some users might have reported. So it will, of course, probably update by itself at some point anyways, as the updates for Google Chrome usually happen in the background on their own. But just to note, I know that a lot of you are, want me to tell you what type of update it is, and especially when there are security updates. I always tell you that's important this time around. Doesn't really matter if it works well for you, but it will update at some point, or if you want to push that update just to make sure everything's all right. It is now available. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.